Are you worried about the kind of apps your children might be downloading from the Google Play Store? Want to ensure they stay safe online and only access appropriate content? Hello, dear viewers, welcome back to our channel. Today we're tackling a concern many parents share: how to prevent children from installing unwanted apps from the Google Play Store. Whether it's about avoiding inappropriate content or just keeping those surprise in app purchases at bay, we've got you covered. Let's dive in. Step 1 is all about prevention with Google Family Link. This powerful app by Google helps you manage your child's device. First, download Google Family Link for parents on your device and Google Family Link for children and teens on your child's device. Follow the setup instructions to link both devices. With Google Family Link, you can approve or block apps your children want to download from the Google Play Store, monitor their screen time, and even lock the device remotely when it's time for a break. Moving on to step 2, setting up parental controls directly in the Google Play Store. Open the Google Play Store app on your child's device. Tap on the profile icon at the top right. Then select Settings. Find Family and tap Parental Controls. Turn on parental controls and create a PIN that your child doesn't know. Here you can set restrictions based on content rating for apps, games, movies, and more. Our third and final step is perhaps the most crucial: educating your child. It's important to have open conversations about online safety, the types of apps that are appropriate for their age, and the potential risks of downloading apps without permission. And there you have it, folks. 3 effective ways to prevent children from installing unwanted apps from the Google Play Store. Remember, technology is a powerful tool for learning and entertainment, but it's up to us to ensure it's used safely and responsibly.